Good morning, children. Happy Diwali. Welcome to our class number 2 of Diwali. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Diwali, and later on you are going to learn how to make your own homemade firecracker. Diwali is a festival of lights, symbolizing the victory of inner light over spiritual darkness. Diwali is one of the biggest festivals ever celebrated in India, and some Indians abroad celebrate it there as well. Approximately 8 million people all around the world celebrate Diwali. Diwali is celebrated on the 15th day or the new moon of the Hindu month Kartika. Diwali means different rows of lighted lamps. It is celebrated with music and lights, fireworks and traditional sweets. Some of my favorite sweets are pedas, jalebis and gulab jamuns. Which are yours? Usually, before Diwali, Mummy and Daddy would clean up the house and get it ready for a beautiful Diwali. They put lights everywhere, fill it with candles and decorations, and make our home as festive as possible. We distribute sweets to our friends and our neighbors and relatives. We also try to donate different things to people, such as shoes, clothes, and sometimes even food. Usually, we can donate to orphanages, senior citizen homes, and even to your public authority. Giving is important during Diwali. Sharing is caring. Diwali is a beautiful time. It is the festival of lights. It is the start of a new year, of a new time. Have a beautiful Diwali. Hello, children. Isn't it fun making this beautiful homemade firecracker? I know you're going to have a lot of fun with it. Remember, firecrackers are pretty, but they're not very good for the environment. Firecrackers contribute a large amount to noise pollution as well as air pollution. The smoke that comes out from a firecracker can severely affect the air quality around us. The noise that the firecracker produces can be very disturbing both for people and for animals. This year, Let us all have a firecracker free Diwali. Instead, please make a beautiful homemade firecracker just like we did in Hosanna House Montessori School. You will have a lot of fun designing and decorating this beautiful firecracker. If you want, you can put little bit of glitter in the corners of the folded paper. So when you finally decide to move and burst your paper firecracker, glitter will come out. Just make sure not to make a mess because you'd probably have to clean it up after. Have a wonderful Diwali and remember, firecrackers are not safe and they are not good for the environment. Have a lovely Diwali ahead.